Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name's Randy. This is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. If you remember a few videos ago, we did a segment on infusions. So it's about time. Let's taste them, see how they turned out. Okay, so the very first one I got is the blackberry. I mean, you can really see the difference. It took all the color out of the berry itself. Now what I would end up doing is taking it and putting it through a strainer to get all the stuff out. Let's just taste and see what we got. Tastes like vodka. It's got a mellow blackberry taste to it. That would be a very I could drink it straight, or I could mix it with something. So that's not too bad. Blackberry is very good. So far that's the winner. Okay, here is strawberry basil. Now it took all the color out of the strawberries. Give it a little taste. I can smell the strawberries and I can smell the basil. That just don't do it for me though. I mean, it's not bad. It'd be good if you mix it, but it's not one of my favorites. So let's try the next. I mean, that's what this is all about, trying it out. Okay, the next we're going to try is peppercorn. It really changed a nice, pretty color on the. I can really smell the pepper. Wow. It's got a real peppery taste. Oh, if you put that in a Bloody Mary, that would be fantastic. So I'm gonna put that one out there as a yes. Ooh. I think I would use a little bit less pepper. I think it was a little bit stronger than I thought. Okay, so here the next is jalapeno. Got kind of a little green color to it. Kind of smells like grass. Yeah. No, that's not for me either. Well, I don't know if it was I used too much jalapeno, maybe. I don't know. Okay, so the next that we're going to try is apple cinnamon. Now, I was thinking this was going to be about one of the best. So let's find out. Sure does smell good. Yes. I can really taste the apple, and I can really taste the cinnamon. That's pretty nice. So that would be a keeper. All right, and for last, mandarin orange. That's not bad. I can really taste the mandarin orange. Yep, that's pretty good. I like that one too. So there's the four that I like the best, and I think the peppercorn, that really surprised me. I think that's going to be the winner. All right. So just a little demonstration on you can infuse vodkas with fruits and different things, and you can really enjoy it. These will be great for mixers or just a drink on just a little bit at a time. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Enjoy the adventure.